Good morning. I extended my stay for one more night, so I'm gonna go for the hike that I wanted to go for yesterday, but I was busy fixing the heater, so the heater has worked amazing. I'm super excited. I trust now that it's fixed. So I'm just having some breakfast and then I'm gonna head out, so I'll take you with me. I got my pack, let's go.
Think about me one more time before you go. Someday you'll know. Someday you'll...
Okay, got to the trail. We're just gonna take this shoreline trail. Super easy, but it's one of the only ones around. So it'll be fun. Goes that way.
Think about me one more time before you go. Someday you'll know. Someday you'll know. You know what I'm going to say?
There's this cute little shack on the way, and I'm like, I could live in that, honestly. Small, right on the water, easy to heat. I really want to get away from big houses. All right, let's keep going. Okay, here's where I'm gonna set up. I'm gonna have to learn to bring a plastic bag because in the fire pit, I gotta take all that out and pack it back with me. But I can do that.
You know that I'ma keep it cool. With you I feel like breaking rules. On the edge, looking out with no parachute. You know I'm dreaming about us two, playing around without a clue. On the edge, leaning out. With us it's all or nothing. Ooh, but guess I need more of you. With us it's all or nothing, but guess I need more of you. You say it during night, but in the morning you just leave. With us it's all or nothing. Ooh, but guess I need more of you. With us it's all or nothing, but guess I need more of you. You say it during night, but in the morning you just leave. Had to convince my friends this time. Think you're toxic to my mind, but I know they don't know what you're all about. The way you hold my body tight, staying up talking through the night. Yeah, I know they just don't. With us it's all or nothing. Ooh, but guess I need more of you. With us it's all or nothing, but guess I need more of you. You say it during night, but in the morning you just leave. I need more of. With us it's all or nothing. Ooh, but guess I need more of you. Where is the line between dreaming and feeling blue? It's 4 o'clock in the evening. I haven't left my room, but the truth is, if I'm honest, stuck here in the middle. Am I one of those crazy people? Should I stay here or should I let go? Well, the sheets over my head, hoping change is gonna find me. You don't have to.
That's a pretty nice place here. So I made some coffee. I forgot a spoon, so I'm just gonna stir this with my knife. I brought my lunch. A really cool thing that I, hopefully it works, but I have these little condiment packets, like they're reusable. So I filled one with hot chocolate. I know they're meant for liquids, but it actually feels like it would be like one hot chocolate worth. So that's pretty handy. Because I haven't used them, so it's not like I'm worried about being able to rinse it out and clean it. I can just keep using this one for hot chocolate. So I brought my twig stove, but I forgot my kettle, so I had to use this. Good thing I brought this one too. I wasn't really sure how the twig stove would work out. So those of you that have watched my videos before, this is a spot just down the way, so back that way is where I kayaked in once, and I met Jade. So she told me about a trail that you can hike in, and it actually comes from there. So that's where I came in today, hiked in, and then actually Jade is here. So I went and saw her. She is back at that spot that I was at before. So I just found this spot. I'll show you. That's what it looks like. It's got a picnic table. I just put a blanket down, started a little fire. Yeah, so it's pretty nice. So I am going to have some lunch and maybe a nap. And then I'll hike back out and go back to the bus. So the bus is back that way. So you can see the water walkway that goes across the water there. I'm past that. So I'll just hike out and around and go back to the bus. So if I don't see you more while I'm hanging out here, I will check in with you later back at the bus.
How did we end up here in the corner, looking like enemies? We used to be the team people talk about, what a chemistry. I can see it in your eyes. You don't wanna talk anymore. I wanna get so numb, while we enemies. No, you don't mind the way I stutter my words. You know exactly what it means and how it hurts. Oh, I can't believe you're here. Can't get any worse, no.
Good morning. I was able to stay another night, so I actually got some hiking in yesterday and I was super happy about that. So if I put these into one video, then you'll see that hiking trip. I might have to put them into two, we'll see. But today I have to leave, so I just made my regular breakfast. I didn't feel like you needed to see how I make that same eggs and garlic and onions, and I've got my coffee and I've got my heater going. So it's working really, really well. So I'm really happy about that. Last night I had a nice fire. I was gonna have another camping friend come out, but she actually broke down on the way out. So I felt so bad for her. So we might go again next weekend. But other than that, I've got a mess to clean up and some packing up to do, and then I'm gonna head out. So Thanks so much for watching, and thank you so much. I have 200 subscribers, so I'm very thankful. I really enjoy doing this when I can. I try to get out as much on the weekends. I've got some plans for the winter, so stay tuned for that. So thanks a lot, and I hope you have a great day. Bye-bye.